You hear all this talk about cleaning your air ducts, how it will improve the performance of your air conditioning and heating systems, and also improve the air quality in your home. Have you ever wondered how they actually do that? Well, we can't speak for others, but here's how our do-it-right guys at AC Contractors perform a typical air duct cleaning. The very first thing is to conduct an inspection of the ductwork itself. All the cleaning in the world isn't going to help your system run more efficiently if you have visible leaks, bad seals, or even ducts that have become disconnected over time. Once the duct inspection has been completed, it's on to the actual cleaning. It all starts at the front door. When we first enter your home, we put on shoe covers so we don't track dirt into your house. Then we proceed to cover all the floors with drop cloths and drape all furniture with protective plastic sheeting. All air vents are sealed with plastic. We then set up a powerful reverse vacuum at the air handler or at one of the main ducts in the attic if there's not enough access space in your utilities closet. This vacuum will generate a 2,000 cubic foot per minute pull on the air in your ductwork. It will keep the majority of the dust and dirt going up the duct and into the HEPA filter vacuum instead of falling down into the open vent and back into your home's air. The vacuum operates continuously until all the vents are cleaned. Now it's on to the first vent. First, we inspect the vent with a wand-mounted camera. While the camera moves up the vent, we can monitor the image on our laptop computer and see if there's any problems. We use a rotating brush to start the cleaning process. As it moves up and down the vent, it loosens dust and dirt. Here you can see what the rotating brush is actually dislodging. We put a camera and light in the duct junction above the vent. You can see how the reverse vacuum is pulling the loosened debris up the duct, past the camera, through the ductwork into the vacuum, and out of your home. Next, we use a pneumatic whip, a more powerful tool that really loosens the dirt. See how much more debris is heading up the duct and into the vacuum? Now Brad is using BioSpray. It's a sanitizing solution that's nebulized into a very fine mist. It's hard to see, but the vacuum helps draw the sanitizing fog up through the duct. Once the duct is clean, it's time to begin replacing the vent cover. First, we clean the boot with a brush and any other tools needed. Notice the heavy particles drop to the floor cloth while the fine particles are sucked up into the vacuum. Once the surfaces are cleaned, we seal the boot to the ceiling opening. This step helps keep your air-conditioned heating system from drawing unconditioned and often dirty air from your attic. Have you ever seen dirty streaks on the ceiling coming from the side of the vent? It wasn't properly sealed. The vent cover is cleaned, sanitized, and replaced. At your option, we can replace your old vent covers with brand new ones. Once the vent cover is screwed back into place, the vent is resealed to maintain the reverse vacuum pressure. And it's on to the next vent and the next vent until each outlet has been inspected and thoroughly cleaned. But we're not done yet. We clean out the air return vent with vacuum, brush, and pneumatic whip as needed to be sure there's no extra dirt going through your air filters and putting a strain on your system's efficiency. Once it's good and clean, we replace the vent cover and head on to the final cleaning of the air handler itself. Usually a vacuum does the job here. Cleaning of the system is over, and now it's time to clean up. Once we disconnect the reverse vacuum and pack up the tools, we unseal all the air vents, take up all the furniture covers, and roll up the floor cloths and return them to the truck. Voila! You now have a clean duct system, and all the dirt leaves with us, either in the reverse vacuum with the HEPA filter or rolled up in the furniture covers and floor cloths. It takes 4 to 6 hours to complete the process for an average size home. Some folks find the reverse vacuum, which runs almost all the time, to be noisy. You might want to plan on working outside or listening to some great music with your headphones. We're one of the very few companies in East Texas that offer this comprehensive duct cleaning service. When it comes to your home and your family's health, duct cleaning is a job you want done properly. At AC Contractors, our do-it-right guys can handle that. Call on us with confidence. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.